Good morning. Myself Archana Upadhyay. I'm going to start second chapter of book Snapshots, and the name of the chapter is The Address. This story is an account of a daughter who goes in search of her mother's belonging after the war. And this story belongs to Holland. When she finds them, the objects evoke memories of her earlier life. Means these objects make her to think about her past life, and she decides to leave them all behind and decides to move on. In this story, a girl goes to find out the things of her house which were related to her mother. And this is the scene of the place she went to. And she is at the door. She is asking a woman about that. And then that lady asked her if she knew her. The woman looked at her strangely. Okay, when the girl asked her if she knew her, the woman who was at the door, she looked at her cautioningly. She had not opened the door completely. She had opened just a chink. And then the girl came to the closer and stood on the step. And the lady answered, no, she didn't know her. Okay, she didn't know her. And then she gives her introduction that she is Mrs. S. daughter. As you know, that lady, she has not opened the still she did not open the door. She has held her hand on the door as though she wanted to prevent it opening any further. Means she did not want to open the door any further. And her face was also not giving any sign of recognition. Means she was not understanding that who that girl is. And then she kept staring, that lady kept staring at that girl silently. Then the girl thinks that perhaps she was mistaken. Okay, she has come to the wrong door. And then she thought perhaps it was not her. Means she was not the lady she is looking for. And she thought that she had been her only one. She had seen her once only, and just fleetingly. Fleetingly means not so interestedly, not so carefully, just for a while. And then she had seen that lady quite long back before. And maybe it was most probable that she had rung the wrong bell. Means that is not the house she had to come. The woman let go of her door and stepped to the side. Okay, now the lady came to the step. Okay, and then she was wearing, when she turned, the girl saw that she was wearing her mother's green knitted cardigan. Okay, woolen knitted cardigan. The wooden buttons were rather pale. This cardigan was of her mother, and that lady was wearing that. And her mother put wooden button on that cardigan that time. So these wooden buttons were pail for washing. Okay, continuous washing. And she saw that she was that then the lady understood that girl is looking at the cardigan, and she half hid herself again behind the door. But now the girl had understood that she had come to the right door. And then she asked her, "Do you know my mother?" "Have you come back?" said the woman. "I thought that no one had come back." And then the lady asked her if they had come back. And she added that also that she thought that no one had come back. And then the girl answered that only she had come back. And now the door opened and closed in the passage behind her. A musty smell emerged. As she opened the door and closed it, there was a passage also, and there was a musty smell. Musty means बेटे जो सीलन वाली जो स्मेल होती है, that is called musty smell. "I regret I cannot do anything for you." And then she said that she is sorry that she could not do anything for her. And then the girl said she had come there especially on the train. She wanted to talk to her for a moment. And then the lady answered that that was not convenient time for her, and she told that she would see that girl another time. Okay.